Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the overpass from Mandela Highway to Portmore. Now, somewhere out here is where this is Mandela Highway we're on, and somewhere out here you're going to have a 4-lane overpass from Mandela Highway into Portmore. This is necessary because there is so much traffic going into Portmore that this road becomes congested. Mandela Highway. Mandela Highway is actually the busiest road in Jamaica, and one of the reasons for that is the amount of traffic that goes into Portmore. Now, the latest update is the design work has already been done, and they have come up with a design so they know how it's going to look, and they have done costing and everything. So basically they have the alignment done, they have the costing done, and it has gone through the public investment assessment process, and it should now be going to procurement. So once they procure it, it goes through the procurement process, then they can start the project. So the good thing is the alignment is done, the costing is done, so it's moving along. So hopefully by the end of this year they will start the project. And this is, I think, one of the most important projects the government can do at this time. It should be at the top of the list, and it's going to be done under the CAPEX program. So it's going to be one of the major road projects. Now, they have another entrance into Portmore going over the Causeway Bridge, but it's a toll road and you have to pay, and that toll plaza by the Causeway Bridge, the Portmore toll plaza, makes the most money out of any toll plaza in Jamaica. So that will give you an idea of just how much traffic goes in to Portmore. But one of the major concerns for people that live in Portmore is the traffic. Serious problem. So the plans are well advanced for the development of the overpass, and of course we'll keep you guys updated as they put out more information. So guys, let us know what you think about this overpass project. And sometimes this process to build these roads, they take time. Sometimes they take a very long time. This project to build the overpass bridge was announced almost 2 years ago, or some time ago. Let's not put a timeline on it. And it's a major project in Jamaica, but the process it has to go through, fine, you have to do the alignment, that is necessary, and you have to get the costing done. But we all know who the contractor is going to be. So you really don't have to go through, well, I guess you have to, but it's going to be China Harbour Engineering Company. I don't see any other contractor at this time being able to build that bridge, that overpass. I just don't see it, because while they're building the overpass, Mandela Highway is going to have traffic on it. So you have to move quickly, and it is the busiest road in Jamaica. So based on that, based on all the expertise and resources that China Harbour Engineering Company has, I think they are the contractor to build the road. I'd be very surprised if any other contractor got the job. I don't even know if they need to go through a process for that. It will be more a formality than a process, because we all know they're going to end up building the road. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think they should even bother to put the contract out to tender? We know that they have the costing, or should they just give it to China Harbour Engineering Company? And do you guys think our local contractors have reached a level to build a overpass, a 4-lane overpass from Mandela into Portmore, you can leave your comments in the section below. But one thing I think everybody can agree on is this road is needed, and it's needed as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. That's actually Portmore we're looking at, Municipal Boulevard on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.